How to delete Reddit account on phone. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Reddit account using your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So for this tutorial, you have to use the web version of this Reddit and not the app. So open up any browser and go to reddit.com. Now once you're on the website, tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Here scroll down and here tap on sign up or login. Here enter your email or you can sign in with Google or your Apple. I'm gonna sign in through my email. So let me sign in. So after you have signed in, again tap on these three lines in the top right corner and here tap on settings under saved. In settings, tap on account settings. Now here scroll down and in the bottom you will see delete account. Tap on it and here you can fill in the reason if you want. It's totally optional. Here enter your username and here enter your password. And after that tap on this, check this box and tap on delete. And again here tap on delete. Now wait for some time and your account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Reddit account on your phone. Thanks for watching.